What up, guys? How you guys doing today? Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day today, and I wish and pray all your wishes and dreams come true. Without further ado, guys, I got 4 tasks for you guys to do today. If you haven't read it yet, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Inspire team where we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it, let's go. The first task I want you to do, I want you to think about your goals in terms of where you want to be, who you want to become, and what's your final destination in life. Think about your ability, think about what you're good at, what you're not good at, and don't forget to appreciate your flaws and all. Task number 2, I want you to get a paper and a pencil or open up your notepad, anything that you can jot down your information in, right? Jot down everything that you want to accomplish in your life and create a checkbox list, okay? So every time you completed that goal, check it off, bow, 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 okay? And keep it consistent, keep it flowing. The third task I want you to do is I want you to believe in yourself. I want you to believe in your goals. I want you to believe in your abilities. I want you to believe in yourself, okay? And I want you to believe that every decision that you make is always the right decision. I want you to believe and imagine yourself already there. Live it, feel it, and breathe, yeah. And when you do that, guess what's gonna happen? You send a message to the universe, and it's gonna come back to you tenfold. Oh, God. Alright guys, last but not least, the 4th and final task I want you to do is to make a commitment. Commitment is key. That determines who you are as a character, you know, loyalty and marriage and everything in life. So if you can make a commitment to yourself, you can make a commitment to anything. The best thing you can do is to commit to yourself. And I guarantee you, for the next 3 months, 6 months, 9 months to a year, you'll be a whole new, completely different person, okay? And if you guys are doing this, please record yourself, you know, send me a message, and let's all do it together. I'm gonna do it too, okay? And just remember, y'all, commitment is the key to success. These are the 4 tasks that I have for you guys to do, and I hope you guys take into consideration. You know, do it for yourself, do it for me, do for the universe, do it for your loved ones. But most importantly, like I said, do it for yourself because you always matter most. Alright guys, before I leave, I just want to say, my channel, I just want to be transparent with you guys, man. So no matter what flaws we have, no matter what we go through, we can sit here and talk about it all day. You know, just self-development, self-respect. This is a channel for us to help each other out, whatever we go through. If you want to talk about something, you guys can always hit me up. You know, I'm here for you guys. If you don't have a big brother, I'll be a big brother. If you don't have an uncle, I'll be your uncle. If you don't got no daddy, I'll be your daddy. I'll be whatever it is, man. All things positive, no things negative. I just want you to be successful, be wealthy, and then be healthy. One love, y'all. See y'all next time on the next video. Let's get it. Let's go.